Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Fun Math number 2.
Yeah, Fun Math number 2. Not math for kids anymore. Fun Math. All right, so this is based off of a tricky Moems problem, and so it's kind of a tough problem. There's no doubt about it. We're going to go through it slowly. I wish I had a different marker. That's all right. Okay, Zane has 2 more swords than Kai. He gives Kai 8 swords, and now Kai has 8 times as many swords as Zane. Whoa. How many did Zane start with? Okay. What do you think? How do you want to approach this problem?
Let's call Zane's swords X.
Okay, I'll write that over here. Zane. We're going to call X, and
Kai, we'll call Y.
The number of Kai's swords we're going to call Y. So Zane has X swords to start and Kai has Y swords to start. Okay, that's good. That's going to help us translate this into math.
So we can figure out what the first sentence says.
Okay, what does it say?
Well, it either says X minus 2 equals Y, or Y plus 2 equals X.
Okay. Which one do you want to write down?
Let's write X minus 2 equals Y.
Okay, write that a little bit bigger so it shows up on camera.
X minus 2 equals Y.
Okay, very good. So this says Zane has 2 more swords than Kai. In other words, if Zane has 20 swords, Kai might have 18, and 20 minus 2 is 18, right?
Yep.
Okay, so that's that equation. Okay, now for the harder one. He gives Kai 8 swords, and now Kai has 8 times as many swords as Zane. Okay, so this is a tricky one to translate. So let's build our equation here. So I'll put an equals, but I don't necessarily mean equals until we're all the way done. So let's do Kai. So Kai gets 8 swords. How many swords does he have now?
Y plus 8.
Okay, so write Y plus 8 on that side. Okay, after Zane gives Kai 8 swords, how many swords does Zane have?
He has X minus 8.
X minus 8. And what do we know about the relationship between Y plus 8 and X minus 8?
Well, Y plus 8 is 8 times X minus 8.
Right, so we got to put parentheses around here and multiply by 8. Okay, so that's pretty amazing actually, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so this equation here is what that second sentence says. Now we just have to simplify this a little bit. What is 8 times X minus 8?
It's 8x minus 64.
Okay, 8x minus 64 equals Y plus 8. And how can I simplify that?
Subtract an 8 from both sides.
And what do I get when I do that?
You get 8x minus 72.
8x minus 72 equals Y. Now, I'm going to check if we're still on the screen here, but is that a useful equation to have?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, we're still on the screen. Good.
Because x minus 2 is also Y.
Okay, so great. So now we have 2 equations, and each one of them tells us what Y equals. Y equals X minus 2, and Y equals 8X minus 72. So what do we know is true?
8x minus 72 is X minus 2.
8X minus 72 equals X minus 2. All right, what's next? How do you solve this?
We subtract the 2 from both sides. We get 8x minus 70 is X.
Okay, you did the right math, but you said the wrong thing. What do you do to both sides?
You add a 2.
You add 2. 8x minus 70 equals X.
So that means that 70, well, it means 70 is 7x.
Okay, this means 7x minus 70 equals 0, or 7x equals 70, and that means x equals
10.
10. So that's how many Zane has in the beginning. So how many does Kai have in the beginning?
So Kai has 8 swords in the beginning.
Okay, awesome. So Zane has 10, Kai has 8, And then when Zane gives Kai 8 swords, how many does Zane have left?
2.
How many does Kai have?
He has 16.
Is 16 8 times 2?
Yeah.
Hey, it worked. We figured it out. Why do you think Zane and Kai have so many swords?
I don't know.
I don't know. What do you think they do with them?
Fight snakes with them, probably.
Probably fight snakes. Yeah, but you're right. Okay, good job. High five. Quick high five while I walk away. All right, good job, sweetie.